Okay guys, this is how to scam other people on CPM to get 50 million or much. First go to new cars and then get this van which is on level 40 and put this ACC blank, email blank, and I'm giving this away because I'm quitting. Make sure the cause I'm quitting is red. And on the back, this ACC has some glitch cars. Yeah, like this ACC has some glitch car. And the other glitch car can reach over 10 M horsepower. Okay, let's test it out. Okay guys, let's go to the car dealership. I mean, car seller. Let's go. Alright, car world sale. Skyline? Where's the skyline, bro? Bro, I have a skyline too. I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. Yo, that's a skyline over there. It looks more handsome than mine. ACC. 50. There we go. Yeah, that's how. That's what I'm saying. 3 ACC. Oh, yes, baby. That's how. That's how you do it. Yes, it's sale right now. Look. Here's the proof. You sold this car. Yeah, go back. Go back. There we go. Wait. There we go. Huh? That's how you scam, bro. And I'm kinda wondering how to get this without paying. Maybe. Bro, that's why, bro. That's how you do it. And now, you can buy some cars. Let's go. Yeah, that's how. Bye.